English first.
Okay, thank you, Fourth Estate, of course, for a job well done today. Today was day one of the operation to remove containers, kiosks from town. We had served the notices that had expired some time earlier, but we are happy that voluntary compliance has taken the day today. As we are moving around, people were busy trying to remove containers and kiosks on their own. And of course, that has helped us to reduce on cost on our side, but also it is showing us that people have understood the cause over which trade order should be respected at that level. So we didn't carry any containers council today, even when we were ready to do it, because people had given us an indication that we are going to remove them themselves at that level. And they helped themselves two things. One, of course, when you remove the container yourself, you remove it safely and also put it in a safe place. But the second thing that they have survived is a penalty and the cost. Because as soon as we carry any container or any kiosk, we send you a PRN. You must meet that cost. On top of losing your container to cash at that level. I think they have helped themselves that. Those who have not done it yet should get to know that from us, that as soon as we carry your container, we bill you and the PRN comes on your phone immediately at that level. And that one becomes a debt that is payable to council. You can't run away from it at that level. So to me, today was a good day. Of course, we are continuing tomorrow and Friday to ensure that we clear the town of these containers. There is a carrying that is coming up somehow, but we shall see how we address it. Of course, they are carrying them and keeping them within our area of jurisdiction. And yes, they can be there, they can be kept there, but we shall eventually want them out of the town completely and also. Yes. We did one good thing. We gave them a complete mass. As soon as we got the instruction from Kampala that we should do a sure trade order, we had to give them notices. And when we gave them notices, we were telling them they should remove the containers themselves voluntarily, or we shall carry them at their own cost. And because of that, possibly they took heed of our message, they have complied, and that's what they are doing. But of course, we are not relenting on that until we are sure that every container, every kiosk is out of town. Not to have a container village in town. That's not our issue. We have enough buildings that don't have businesses. Actually, we want them to get into buildings that are built in town so that we can have an orderly town. Because if we create a container village, we shall not be doing anything at that level.
How about these vendors?
Fruit vendors will have enough gazetted. You know, the policy is that people must operate from gazetted areas. A gazetted area is that area that has been allowed by the local authority that certain activities should take place from those areas. And now, the food vendors who are moving around, just roaming with food, are killing the gazetted markets at that level. We have enough spaces within the gazetted markets in this municipality at that level. So these who are roaming and moving around are the ones killing the order that we had initially put there as council at that level. So for us, we have enough spaces. Those who are roaming with food, they come to us, we shall show them where to go and operate from us.
Yeah.
I talked about, I said we shall see how we handle that. Of course, to us as council, we think they are taking them there as a store. Let me keep it. Meanwhile, I think of what to do next. But now I want to sound a warning. Wherever you put it, it will not be opened. It is just resting a little for 2-3 days for it to get to its final destination. Where you take it, so long as it is outside the Kasese Municipal Council, we are not about that. That other authority, where it goes, will also take charge of it. Yes. Makurumwasinja mama tu atikere erela balaba mneto. Munaburi kilo cyo kubaza ekeri hamwe tawo ni mashe container na she kiosks. Eshe twiramu kera itunga basuburi bo Kasese Municipality. Eche mwishamubu ya tumatuka timbamu twama bana abantu. Ya bibe neben ibabiri tuka erseheka. Na shamato kushatwe tukikolesha ibe neba babiri kane nasho eribwinde sibahekera she container she risihamu nabi. Echo nacho mwikaleka isitwanga salwa nabo kusanga bani mukolochi bani musihamu. Na tucha tukaita risihamu. Kwihahu twama mwana mwataudi waba na muruna birete kanyuma kenyumba yewu. Okay, for the start tukati echutwanga naenda ndani nacho. Ale iwe sekahumulera. Ukana unimwenda buruka ukayikantu ndahumulahan. Ya ukabra murikana kewo tsukachi olwen. Isho ahashema kisho mnabwire sir kwa lwen. Echatwa masomo echamasomo bwange batucheje. Si ali container nangu kichongolero omwa municipality. Mbolairi omatwala kirembe, mbolomatwala ya kamiho, mbolomatwala ya mwarelo yiko kwari hakuine park kichongolo kirairo echo sikisasabya kwa that level. So ahayiri kahumulera alwekendra ikindi lo municipality yali atweta hitale ingongo ho municipality ehiri gazetted etoita bandu bawulire ha nemba bandu babiri twahitale kwana mundu nasana byali na bwe nimutimba nakusha office kwa ndibakatwika bali kwangetse wana mundu nabiri bahika tata mer tata bok and sometimes what is wrong with you obo kwangibwe area makatale butwale ikweri yange busangana nero abu eritsuka munabwire pamabe sasa kuba no mu byengo kala balabana byali ebyo ukikania na utu na kere ko polisi kwa hali ya ntolangere yo mesi yawo ndanga yawo hai so abandu baenda mwahitali yetu gazetted bamasho shakatale kerenda mukitu ikato iwe enda makatale kanuna
abandu bakabwe ni mama bahabu
narubanga college ahitale hinnaho ebyali byosonga tukebebeka mpaka wanu ya ito wasa na mwanja acha tukukangana hatuka kutwala aho kuulire byali byao yes
bana hitali yetu hinene
okay actually esha stalls yetu those concrete stalls sisi kwa byali achikali kisto kwa byali kusanga bantu bakaba nimule omundu akingira mwe byali ebiwa byande byaraka ebya bola kusanga abantu byali bakabe bana mu offices abantu bakawutara mu offices so akumwa amabye munamwanya naruba henda here hetu nalingekanya yes
maybe omulenge wawo kwa bwabati nayo batali barumba
abo bakinayo muntu amatsuka operation iri atsuka munabwire and it is a lifelong process now unashana mwana tabali epikapikira we are executing an instruction from the center in Kampala sikasese municipality nyis niye bandu balo inyoka mama kararero kusanga handi hose kwa kintu mukoleka kiti na tutunalindira bakama batu bakasalibye compliance ono part ekyo twa mukole mwana abra chikola munashi tunayo mubiringi windi endre sene ngil making sure indi ekyo bwambunga kole kikakoleka so abakineyo mundu yulubaluba muyihabu lebutuku bukineko amani watu letsukana umwana malangirawo sali atabya kikama isinde kindu kiri kiwita kala kana nokulenga kutukalengekana
abandu bari mu ziteka mu politique mu bakomire bikibici
ebyo bukomese beremo eribo ambwendo ulira mu mwanyiwana kana politique kashira mu mwahayi nashine nyobole kindu mabire mukajije politique na mundale mulwala nero atakenda wakasala mubire lumire mwanyore ndo kwasipata ekindu uwakikola ngokwa kisosile obukome bwabwa hwerem tukale ndairo C1 bukebuka hikabo C1 muntu atuka kaniko politique ese hano tulikuwa bakole be government ne mibirika kolekani yetu technical officers at this level
now bana tisi does it mean the mukaya
I think a policy is far beyond the container on that level a policy yiri kwilangende unashina nyumba bare anda bakongara kwa benda enyumba yemwa approving ukabana yiri kwa plot ya 50 by 100 leto mundu nabiri yahimba 150 by like 60 inabiri mwanya wata wewe inabiri cha nyumba yewe mwa proving nyika iyo nabiri himba mwanene kusa ya moshula ya mwa proving inabiri shulia kana nabiri anda kongara kwa bende ebitabya kunisha abo nabo twabere babwera ebya mwongera kwa bitu dress nabi mubiheko mumbe twaleka mwanga yahimba nyumba hishango kweka yu isikasa kaleram natwe kusango sitwibiri ya muchi umatawe
Chuka. Amen.
Boaz.
Boaz Baruku, Boaz
Baju.
Enembere.
Chama tunde kitsibu chamani. Chenani. Chaba makore chisitihikira. Ara chamichaye kisha business shetu. Ahatu kalera hatu kahomolera. Sito shatu kaenda sana katuketu kahomolera. Kaya bachitoke kana bangaturiche hanyuma. Itu atu nice. Itu asitwanga kore kitukata kaya bindu yetu. Bete babiri tukira reta kaya ben. Kaya njacha ibatu sobera basaba kando bindu yetu. Aye. Sali aba tukangira.
So mukaya subuka kuchi.
Sitwa shatu kaya. Kaya tulumwa maloni. She school fees tulu kwa beach. Kabura tukatutira.
So
Ye government yangaberi yabitskitu atichi atubo. Kaya ni tukiri tutaka hebeno. Kuna muba tukirira na misore bana mutwara yoko. babiri tuko emeso ke basaba heke business na tukabula mutu mwe government yo kulisire kanwa
wa mashara
isabasa ekizibu ekitutungire munu mupaka oba mutauni tungiremu ekizibu kyokutulingisa kontaina bwangu kandi tutwina nawo kuziteeka tutwina omwanya gw'okuzitamu kuyahakire tubeire ntusaba government singebere tutungireho nk'omwanya gw'okuzisorolezaho tukaba tuzipakingireho eki ekintu tubeire ntusaba yesi kufuruka ntugenda kufuruka abokwa tusobola kuba haiguru ya gavumenti baitu batuhemu obwire spidi ereke kuba nyingi sana naitwe tuli bantu twetekanize mpora
basigara olyo
nasigara ndi Haruna Mugisa
ndi mwagizi w'NRM na South India akachiko ka district akabalema baitu tosoba kwata government bakatandika kutufuga nkeito abasubuzi ukatuletere mundu omusubuzi asemeye kutugamba cha imani wetu bakaikara bakagamba bakatuomanya kagamba omwanya ngugo betubagutweire tulyantorole mundu nzitahamu mbatuhambi nkanye ya business noramba faga sukumu no ikaguza ikizibu kiki government mwatandika kutufuga bati no turatubabizi NRM tujya kujijwa tujirugemu
abambinga inze heningira ni survive inzira tine mwanya kubambire munze yose tamenzo gukora kimendanze
amazina ni wo
Inyezeri Danyonzi
baba koreke
batuhe myanya kandi batakaija bakatwara ibintu byanje batampire mwanya none nyendo mwanya gukora ni kwenda bitu bagamba ngubije batwiyaha ati business eri mu sente z'abandi turyo mu loans ya paying loans ate chikule kabisha bakatwara from nowhere batatugambire muzongo byo mwanya mushitamo niki
mbe namugene mu butare mugende
burahe tuburuho Dero butare bakwata katare bagambe this market mwije mustama hamwe na mukora atikaru
Access Central Market
yone yizwi jendo sokora shanga yo mwana ninkusa mu gukora n'ekindi tinyine sente zo kupanzisa aho mwora kataho buri kabira yone titukwingana mwena timwisha mukambi ngaho zende tiwampa mwanya go kuzonywera nyowenzi
natubwenu kiwe mwenda bakore
yo mumpo mwana yo kumara mpo mwanya I fail inkora
mbendo ogaruke mu Kasindi
mukasinde tinko abasaka tinyine rent
kweno amabara ngo
Inyezeri Danyonzi
abasema kwamba batasho munga na ubuntu kwiza ndora ngoli mamota Dr. Patson and mama kute naguza ebintu mbi so ni kinyanguhera nyonko muntu obukiro kumanya ule muntu aliona naguza ebintu ndaho munda ngo beto hana display ngenda bali hana kolo agenyanza jona tuenda mbele mkatalo munda tuenda leo amahera wose kabanza umakati butsenje abakawula isa watermelon abo tukabanza umakatale butsenje
abana kokatile banene sipo angato keripangisha manyumba la government si angato yampa bakatu omwanya nafu tulibanya Uganda bakatu omwanya muma tukakula tunaota bana ba masukuru
mabana nibanyeta Mjenyi Lincoln chifu wakanyangea Nyamwamba Kasese Municipal Council abantu balino bakolinga babuza ngwitwe tubatwara ntubatangaye betu ni kiragiro cha government kimazire korabwaho na mukama wihanga gakirabyaho nitorika ngo bana abantu bona bine business zone zikora heru tubendaho kiragiro ni kigama ngo bana abantu bona abarino bakora business abari heru yakatale bona basema ko bali omunda abantu basema ko abataho displays za heru zona basema ko zimo munda bana barakombeka amazi bakataho extension zona zimwe zireto gorofa na binde bitso government abikira ngo bana abantu bona tubendaho bana abandi abantu bakuka ngo tubine mwanya yitwe ka government abakusiba mu field sportingire torozere haine myanya ende rohe muhango bita abantu barikwenda kujyayo abahereze example umwanya gwa Sadi market akombeka umwanya gwa Katale no muhango roho baitu abantu nibeganya kimba kujyayo kora business baitu enkora korano bakuba n'icyo mutweka ne kwataho buri omwe abantu abandi ntumanya ngo nabajya kusasa baitu ine cyo gukora ka government abantu basaba ngo tutakakoseza amani mengi kurora ngo tubehaho icyo cyati tubamanyisa kurora ngo tubagambira ngo bene kurwo mu myanya yabo egiye barumu bagarike mu myanya endi eyombekere kurungi kurora ngo etauni yetu tugikora nyundo
amena wa njya mwendo Richard turi basubuzi bana wa mawa tukayiya student ekikume hajire government batule kukumanya yetu batare yetu tuteka hisi tutabana ba masukuru tukabona bona kandi twabana ko nitwabanene sikonga tukeripangisha manyumba so government mutu ko mwanya muma
batu mwendo wa Sadi market ukwati wa
Sadi ni hale
aitikire ne paka Sadi paka
abakasoma siba
yayo amenanga libati nyasiyo ngabunde government ngatu watikiri iyo tu mu butuku sianga kwemere cyakula kirahero ambo kikorereho bakaba matugusa itwa abandu bahasika into government nerumu nabwire sibanga kikolire batia bangatu watikiri batu mu butuku ebasangwa bakatubwira kera netu itwaminya tukayishotinga tukalwika ete sanzo ti abana tukapangisa ye tuyehe ase numunabwire ngebye
anyulo makusiba
amena
medress bakenga aba nabe sikuru bakanze gaulo mudare wa makabisi batukeko latu abana betuta kolo mukatali sibendiriye ate government bodi bakangu tukole kitatu akawa mtukole abana babiri babi sibu utatakolo kona usendi kandi batro kushangu na mkuleke nyinyi bangaba ngutukole chibadi atolwereko bajamane tole bandu batukiro kuliye badi
Banyeta Businga Christopher ni kora hanu mwamawa ndi muyuthi ntaha ni njia mpora betu engere ya government eresere mwene nkora yayo kitujangire yo kurakuranise kichweka betu bajikoseze speed basana kabakose kiniga kwegamba bene nko busungu obubeine obakwenda kututeka muneto tufunobo busungu tutahantu yiya kukora hamudara ndi munimbe South family tinyine sazinu kugamba sente ngene pangiso mulyango ko kubagamba kandi busawo manyo kubategekere ngo ningenda kuteka muki ebintu byange hati sazini mpura binsobire kimane kiso kugarukaho sazinu nichecho tinkumanya
bagamba mugene mukasinde wamiwe no
mukasinde tutwine yo myanya kasinde oredeka kwatibwa abantu kara omulyango sazinu kujja kuguza omulyango mukasinde owali munaso kugamba milioni nka 20 ezoteini titwangire government esokubayo nende mitwaro nka 15 kupangisa omulyango obi 10 betutoso kufuna ogwo omulyango gusa mu myanya
watigaro lyo
saba government batuho obwire twetekanise tumaji turaba tujja kupangisa amaju tubentusera sente zo kupangisa kitobaza kuchetekaniriza ati tusero banosera milioni singazo kupangisa omulyango tusere sente zirapangisa betu abatero obwira tiste myezi 5 oba mukaga twetekanisa atali kurabya ekiragiro kandi militiro kakireto kakitandikiraho eche chitujo tubensa Banyeta Businga Christopher nikora mama market
ni Banyeta mama kwiri ninkorera mu Gatare mawe murimo ni mutubinga mu Gatare mu nituza gukora tuta nitugenda nkaho twa babikade kamurimo ni mutubinga mu Gatare nituza kugenda nkaho kwe turondera umwanya ho kugenda nuko tugenda
bati mugendo wa Sadi
kandi wa Sadi kandi turimo nitugendayo nibanga nituza gukora tuta kwa Sadi bangira kuduha umwanya aho nane murimo ni mutubinga mu Gatare nituza gukora tuta nitwenda government tuyambe baduho umwanya bareke kutubinga mu Gatare bwo kwana twenda ho gukora twenda buyamye muduho umwanya wo guteke bintu byito habo kuba muri bane mutubinga mu Gatare tuyina hantu ho gukora cyo gukora nitujyanka ubwo buyamye nibwo tukwetaga mureke kutubinga tutayina umwanya
wasigaro lyo
ni Banyeta mama kwini Mbabazi peace
abale Edward Gwambale nintunda jorojoro mawa market ana maramu ati nyombe ningamba government bakinetwa sente niyongera kutubinga street milionemu osobora kwebesa nko muntu wanso bagamba tugenda kwekora kurana milionemu eji none ntunda jorojoro mawa a street nanye nonenyeyiza nkanyi ati sazuna batwamba street mbamanya ito ntija kwantulira nkaha ntusaba government ekirole ekintu ereke kutwa sente kandi kongera bakatutugunya kutugamba nyenche uzira kugweraho kandi batike kusiba kanu bali kutuhambya no mtu wetu bali kubikwata
mbena mugendo wa sadi
mwasadi tusoba kujya kwa kali akatale kafire neto nto izaheru tule tufune cyabana becho kibararya abo koro sente zibatuheire kubokwata milioni emu yonka ne pangisa renta mezabiri kandi to tutakoraki tutakwesobora nasigara mabaragange mu Edward Bambali Muhammad tugenda 5